Hello, welcome back. So I'm creating a purchase order, and while creating a purchase order with reference to a purchase requisition, or even this error can become without a purchase requisition reference, but you can face this error anywhere in the system. So I'm getting error, no short text maintained in a language. This D, the D will be German. Please remaintain the material, and error message will be message number ME095. So what it says, no material short text short description has maintained in language D. So this is the error. So how I'm getting this? So I'm trying to create a purchase order with reference to a purchase requisition that I have. Okay. So I will just show you how it is coming. So I'm running ME21, and then I'm trying to create a UB type of stock transfer order with reference to a purchase requisition, and this is my purchase requisition number. So as soon as I give this material, I'm getting this error message, that is no short text maintained in language, and then error message with the description and details. Then how to resolve this issue? So it's pretty straightforward. You have to go into the MM02 and edit the material master. Okay, then open that material for your specific plant, and we just need a basic data one view. So my plant is IE10 and storage location really not matter. Then go here into additional data. So here you will see additional data, go into it, and first tab will be the description. So here you have to maintain whatever language is there. So in my case, in my error, it was DE. So I will select here D, that will be German, and give a description in that particular language. So I'm not putting in German anyway, but you can put whatever language is there. So then save this material master, then again go in PO, and I will try to recreate the same purchase order with reference to the purchase requisition, and we'll see whether the same error is coming or not. So then I will give a reference purchase requisition number here. So now that error is not coming. So this is how we solve this error. So you can see this particular error is not appearing now. So this is the way we can solve this error related to the material master language. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.